Welcome to the lush world of hydrangeas. These vibrant flowers and lush leaves captivate gardeners around the world. Each bloom, varying from deep blues to vivid pinks, tells a story of adaptation and survival. Hydrangeas transform gardens into vibrant scenes, creating a sense of wonder and tranquility. They can thrive in a variety of climates and conditions, making them favorites among both novice and experienced gardeners. Today we dive deep into the world of hydrangeas, exploring their types, care, and the beauty they bring to any garden. By the end of this exploration, you'll be ready to transform your garden with these enchanting flowers. Understanding hydrangeas and their various types and traits is crucial for any gardener. Hydrangeas come in several varieties, each with its own unique features. The most commonly known types are the Bigleaf hydrangeas, Panicle hydrangeas, and smooth hydrangeas. Bigleaf hydrangeas are popular for their color-changing blooms, which can shift based on the soil's pH level. Panicle hydrangeas are known for their cone-shaped flower clusters and hardiness in colder climates. Smooth hydrangeas are famous for their large white blooms and robust nature. Each type of hydrangea has its own blooming cycle and care requirements. Understanding these traits is crucial for successful cultivation, influencing their health and bloom vibrancy. Whether you have a spacious yard or a small patio garden, there's a hydrangea that can enhance your space. The success of growing hydrangeas begins with planting them at the right time and place. The ideal planting time for hydrangeas is in the late fall or early spring. This timing allows the plants to establish their roots before the extremes of summer or winter set in. Hydrangeas generally need well-drained soil and a spot where they can receive morning sunlight and afternoon shade. This balance of light helps them produce vibrant blooms while protecting them from the harsh afternoon sun. When planting hydrangeas, consider the space they will need to grow. These plants can spread broadly and may crowd out other plants if not given enough room. It's advisable to space them several feet apart depending on the variety. With the right start, these plants can grow vigorously and grace your garden with their stunning blooms for years to come. Sunlight is a critical factor in the growth and flowering of hydrangeas. While these plants are versatile, their sunlight needs can vary significantly depending on the variety. For instance, most bigleaf hydrangeas require partial shade, whereas panicle hydrangeas can tolerate and even thrive in full sun. Now, finding the perfect spot for your hydrangeas involves observing how sunlight plays through your garden throughout the day. A location that receives morning sun and afternoon shade is often ideal. For gardens that receive a lot of sun, consider panicle hydrangeas, which are more sun tolerant. Alternatively, areas with more shade are suitable for bigleaf and smooth hydrangeas. With the right balance of light and protection, your hydrangeas can become a captivating feature in your garden. Foundations for flourishing hydrangeas. Soil quality and moisture are foundational to the health of hydrangeas. These plants prefer rich, porous, and slightly acidic soil, which allows for optimal root growth and nutrient absorption. Before planting, it is beneficial to test the soil pH. A pH of around 5.5 to 6.5 is ideal for most hydrangeas, encouraging vibrant flower colors. Hydrangeas are also known for their need for consistent moisture. They should be watered deeply, especially during dry spells. to encourage deep root growth. However, it's important to avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Proper soil management ensures that hydrangeas have the ideal environment to flourish, showcasing their full potential in your garden. Watering and fertilizing. Effective watering and fertilizing are crucial for maintaining healthy hydrangeas. These plants require consistent hydration but are sensitive to overwatering. It's best to water them in the morning, which helps prevent fungal diseases that can occur when leaves remain wet overnight. When it comes to fertilizing, hydrangeas do not require heavy feedings, but they benefit from regular, balanced nutrition. A general purpose fertilizer applied in early spring encourages growth and supports blooming. Monitoring the plant's response to feeding and adjusting your approach as necessary can lead to more robust growth and better blooms. Proper watering and fertilizing techniques fortify hydrangeas against environmental stresses and enhance their aesthetic qualities. Pruning is an essential aspect of hydrangea care, crucial for maintaining their shape and promoting vigorous growth. The best time to prune hydrangeas depends on their blooming cycle. For varieties that bloom on old wood, pruning should be done immediately after flowering. For those that bloom on new wood, late winter or early spring is the ideal time. When pruning, remove dead branches and thin out areas that are overly dense to improve air circulation. This helps prevent diseases and encourages more blooms. By understanding and practicing proper pruning techniques, gardeners can ensure that their hydrangeas remain healthy and visually appealing throughout the season. Section 8. Hydrangeas in garden design, enhancing aesthetic appeal. Hydrangeas are not only beloved for their lush flowers, but also for their ability to enhance garden aesthetics. These plants can serve various design functions, from being focal points to creating soft, textured backdrops. When integrating hydrangeas into garden designs, consider both their color and form. Creating color themes with hydrangeas can be particularly striking. Mixing hydrangeas with perennials that bloom at different times can ensure that the garden remains vibrant throughout the growing season. Whether used in borders, as hedges, or in container gardens, their voluminous nature makes them excellent choices for filling spaces and adding lushness to the garden. Their broad, dense foliage can help cover the ground and minimize weed growth, providing both beauty and functionality to garden spaces. Section 9. Conclusion. Cultivating beauty with hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are more than just a gardening choice. They are a statement of beauty and versatility in the landscape. Through this guide, we've explored the various aspects of hydrangea care, from planting to pruning, and their significant role in garden design. Embracing the tips discussed here not only aids in growing healthy, vibrant hydrangeas, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your garden. With their stunning blooms and lush foliage, hydrangeas have the power to transform any outdoor space into a place of beauty and tranquility. Each season with your hydrangeas offers new opportunities to refine your techniques and enjoy the blooms that symbolize your gardening success. Keep nurturing your green thumb and watch as your garden becomes a hydrangea heaven.